Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss how delta equivalent circuit can convert it to star equivalent circuit. Okay, here the delta equivalent circuit is there and this is the star equivalent. We are going to convert this delta to this star. Okay, if you make the star such like this potential, okay, like this. Okay, first before deriving this delta to star, first write the equivalent resistance between A and B in delta. Okay, first equivalent resistance in B, A and B. Okay, then this RAB equal to how much? This is these two RC and RB are in series. If you consider from this, okay, this is series, so and this is parallel. Okay, so that RA parallel with RC plus RB. Okay, this likewise RCB or RBC equal to how much? This RB, okay, parallel with RC plus RA. Okay, if we again modify this to simplify version, this is RA into RC plus RB. Okay, then this is RA plus RB plus RC. This is your first equation. Okay, and this is also RB and RA plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. This is second equation, and if I then in third case RAC is like RAC equal RC parallel with this with series. This is RA plus RB. Again this modified equation is how much? RC into RA plus RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. This is third equation. The similar in star equivalent, same polarity, this is A and this is also A. Here we find this equivalent. Okay, here we find equivalent. Okay, see here the equivalent resistance across RAB is equal to how much? This is eliminated because this is open circuit, this only series. Okay, RB equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, then RBC, this is equation number 4th. Okay, and this RBC, BC equal to R2 plus R3. Okay, this is equation number 5. Okay, then RAC, potential resistance across this, RAC equal to how much? R1 plus R3. Okay, this is equation number 6. Okay, again equating equation number equation of delta with star, because this is RAB, this is RAB and RAB, this is RAB, and this is RBC, and this is RBC, and this is RAC, and this is RAC. We are going to equating those equation. Equation 1, first equation 1 and fourth. Okay, then we get equation 1 is this much. Okay, equating this much. This is equal to RA RC plus RB, okay, divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, this is equal to how much? This one, R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. Okay, let this is equation number 7th. Okay, then equating equation number 2 and 5th. 2, this much is 2. Okay, this much is 2, and this is 5. Okay, we do this. Equating equation number 2 and 5. Okay, this is 2 is RB RA plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, this is equal to R2 plus R3. This is equation number 8. Likewise, equating equation number 3 and 6. Okay, this is RC into RA plus RB, okay, divided by RA plus RB plus RC is equal to R1 plus R3. Okay, this is our 9 equation. Okay, if this is our 7, 8, 9 equation. Okay, then if you add those 3 equation, then we get adding those 3 equation. Okay. Adding those 3 equation, first we go first subtract 7 to 8, subtracting equation number 7 to 8. Okay, 7 minus 8. Okay, then we get this is RA, okay, RC plus RB minus RB RA plus RC, okay, divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, this is equal to subtracting, okay, 7 to the R1 plus R2 minus R2 plus R3, then R2 cancel, then we get how much? This is RA, okay, RA into RC plus RB minus RB RA plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC is equal to R1 plus R1 minus R3. Okay, this is our equation number 10. Okay, this is our equation number 10. Then we go okay, then add add equation number 10 with equation number 9. Okay, this is 9 equation and this is 10. Okay, we're going to add it. Okay, so that how much? This is RA into RC plus RB. Okay, minus RB into RA plus RC, and then add plus RC into RA plus RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC is equal to how much? This is okay, R1 10 equation is R1 minus R3 plus how much? This is R1 plus R3, then R3 is going to cancel, and something here also modified. This is like how much? This is RA into RC plus RA into RB, okay, minus RB into RA plus RB into RC, okay, then plus RC into RA, then plus RC into RB, okay, divided by RA plus RB plus RC is equal to R2R1. okay, 2R1. Then this is RC, which are going to cancel. RB RA, this is RB RA, okay. Oh, sorry, this is minus, okay, this is minus RC is going to cancel. Then this is RC RA, and this is RC is 2 RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 2R1. okay, then this 2 and this 2 is going to cancel. Then finally R1 equal to RA, finally R1 equal to RA into RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. okay, this is for R1. okay, this is for R1. Likewise here you see the first. okay, here you see this is R1 is from RA and RC divided by all equal, all sum of the all. okay, likewise then R2 is likewise R2 equal to how much? R2 is RA into RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. okay, this is R2. okay, likewise RC also, likewise RC R3 equal to this much, okay, RB into RC divided by R1 plus RB plus RA into RC, okay. This is the third, okay, this is third one, okay. This is for R1 equivalent, okay. See here, this is for R1 and this is for R2 and this is for R3. If one is the simple method, if somewhere the question is like X, if RA equal to RB equal to RC equal to R, if then R1 equal to how much? R1 equal to this, all are R, so that it is R square divided by how much? This is how much? R square by 3 R cancel, then finally R by 3, okay. If all register of the delta connection is if equal, then the equivalent star of each element is delta register divided by 3, okay. Delta register by divided by 3 is star R equal to delta R by 3, okay. This is a shortcut trick if all delta register are same, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, okay. In our next video we are going to discuss star to delta. This is the reverse connection, okay. Thank you.